Yeah. How are you, Rajit?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Yeah, fine. So, can you introduce yourself about your roles and responsibilities on what things that you are working?
Okay, my name is Rajat Tiwari, and basically I'm from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, and but currently I'm staying in Pune, Maharashtra, and I did my graduations, bachelor's in computer science from Bhosle Military College, Nashik. It is affiliated from Pune University, and I have done my master's in computer application from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research. It is also affiliated from Pune University, and I have knowledge on DevOps tools like Git, GitHub, Docker, and Linux, Kubernetes, Terraform, and CI/CD pipelines, and basic data ops pipeline.
Okay. So, what is the cloud that you are comfortable with?
Azure.
Okay. And also, can you tell me more about your roles and responsibilities? Whenever you check into the office, what are the things that you will be doing?
Yeah, I have joined as an intern as a Celebral Technology junior junior intern. In last 6 months, I have learned many things in Celebral Technologies like CI/CD pipeline, and I am working on the CI/CD pipelines on DataOps pipeline and Terraform pipelines also, and AKS.
Okay. So, how you are provisioning your EKS? Are you doing manually or via Terraform or Cloud Formation templates, anything like that?
Yeah, I have doing manually.
Okay. So, if have a version of X, so I just want to update my Kubernetes cluster to X plus one. So, how do you do that? And is it directly? Can we shift the version? If we do so, what happens? And why should not do? If we do, what happens?
No, sir, I don't know. I have
Okay.
not doing this
So,
practice.
yeah, application compatibility. Okay. How do you ensure if you are trying to migrate, not migration, updating the versions in Kubernetes? So, is it feasible or not in that particular things? Okay, like in the new environment, in the new version of Kubernetes, is it supporting or not? How do you ensure?
Don't know, sir.
You understood the question, right?
No, sir.
So I have a particular version of Kubernetes. Okay. So anything like let's say X, and I just want to update my version, Kubernetes version to Y. So can like what is the prerequisite that we need to look into that, and how we can do that? Like I mean to say, is it okay to migrate? And I mean, how do you check whether your applications are okay to have that particular things or not? Okay, like let's say your application is been working or not. Like you have been developing Java, and in Java, in that particular things in that Kubernetes version, it is not been working, is not a stable version. So how do you check that? What I mean to say.
I have checked the notes via the daemon sets. I think daemon sets.
No, no. Okay, what is daemon set in Kubernetes? Why do we need?
Daemon sets allow us nodes run off a copy of a pod.
Uh-huh.
If we are creating one nodes, and then in the nodes I have creating pods, right? So if we are creating another nodes, so there is a pod scheduled on automatically on that node. It's called daemons sets.
Like even deployment helps you to do the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the difference between daemon set, deployment, and stateful set?
Yeah, deployment provide declarative updates, pods, and the replica set. In the deployment, like first deployment under the replica sets, then pod.
Okay. Then what is the main difference between deployment, stateful set, and daemon set? Why you should go for only daemon set? Why you should go only for stateful set at times?
No, sir, don't know.
Okay. So, like, how do you monitor any particular URL for every 2 minutes? Something like that. Like,
No, don't know.
okay, okay, fine, not a problem. How
I
do
have
you?
not done practically more in last 6 months. So I have done just
Have
concepts.
you involved in migration anytime?
No.
Okay, okay. So, have you worked with respect to AWS with services like VPC or S3? Anything?
No, actually, I have in Level Tech, I have worked on the Azure.
Azure, right? Okay. So, why do we need VNet peering?
Enables to secure connectivity like two virtual machines. If we are VM1 and the VM2, so we are connecting both virtual machine. Is this is called VNet pairing, connecting both virtual machines securely.
Okay, okay. I can ping that particular other server, right? If there is in same network. So why do I need VNet peering? I can directly ping, right? The server will be able to reach. Okay. So what is the importance of three-way handshake?
No, sir, don't know.
Okay. So okay, fine. So let us. Have you worked on Ansible?
No, I have not worked on the Ansible. I have worked on the Terraforms.
Have you worked on Git?
Yes, sir.
So what is why do we use git stash command?
Mm,
What is the difference between git stash and squash?
sorry, sir, I am not reminding.
Okay. Have you anytime performed git revert?
Yes, sir, but I am doing practically, so I am not reminding that point. This point.
Reset, rebase, even this?
Yes, sir, doing, but not remind on this time.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Have you worked on Linux?
Yes, sir.
So what is the run level 3 in Linux? What is the importance?
Run level 3.
Huh.
No, don't know.
Okay. Have you worked or involved in patching?
Don't know.
Okay. So, do you know any scripting, any shell or Python or PowerShell?
No, sir.
Basic scripting, can you do it?
No, I am not doing any
So,
scripting.
what is difference between continuous deployment and continuous delivery?
Yes, sir. In continuous deployment, deploy to production is automatic, and in continuous delivery, deploy to production manually, basically. It's called,
Sorry.
hello? Yeah, continuous delivery, right?
Yeah.
In continuous delivery, they are deployed to production. Means this is deployed to production is manually in continuous delivery, and in continuous deployment and deploy to production is automatically by the CI pipelines.
Okay. Okay. So, how do you check the particular users in Linux? How many users were there? All the things.
Sir, can you repeat?
To see what are all the users that are available in my Linux machine. How do you do that? How do you test it?
Uh, we are going like directly if vim slash etc and slash passwd command. So there is showing how many users are there.
Okay.
Mm, yeah.
Okay. What is the importance of dig command? Dig.
DIG.
Yeah. in Linux?
No, don't know.
Okay. Uh, so have you configured any of the servers?
No,
Any server configuration?
no, I have not studied on that server.
Okay. Okay. Uh, so like how to restrict the particular process, or for that process I should have only this much of CPU.
Process running. That's
Sorry.
process running question is that
Okay, what is the how do you see that which processor are running?
a PS command.
Okay, and how do I fetch only the particular process is running or not?
PS hyphen U and on that process name. Yeah, process name.
No.
Oh, oops, I'm not remind.
Okay, so what is the difference between top and h top? What are the parameters that you'll try to see whenever you try to give top command? Top will be there, right?
Yeah, top command basically showing all the runnings like CPU, memory, and disk size, all that showing top command.
Disk size it will show you.
No, 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 no.
Okay. So, or okay, what is the maximum length for a file in Linux?
Maximum length.
Yeah.
No, don't know.
Okay. What does dot and dot indicate in Linux?
Yeah, dot indicates means back one step, and dot indicates basically back two steps.
Two steps.
Yeah.
CD dot. If I give two steps back, it will go.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And CD one step.
Then dot. Dot indicates generally current. Okay, in Linux.
Correct. Okay.
Okay, and inode as well. That is a different story. You'll have super blocks and many other things, concepts. Okay. So, like, if you tried, like, what is the, like, what is service or daemons in Linux?
Service. No, don't know.
Okay, fine. What are all the modes that are there in Vim editor or VI?
What are modes?
How many modes were there in Vim?
Basically, I know one only, Vim editor.
Okay, there will be modes, right? Insert mode when you want to write,
Yeah.
command mode, extended mode. Okay, how many types of special files are there in Linux?
Yeah, special.
Everything is a special file, right? In Linux, everything is a special file. So how do you? How many files were there, and what are all there?
The retry execute. This is permission for that.
That is permission. Okay, like okay, what is the importance of xargs in find command?
F sharp.
Xargs.
Don't know.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. What is your branching strategy actually? How do you deploy? How what is the strategy generally? How many branches you have? How do you raise your PR and who approves? whenever your deployment is going on. Okay.
Really, I'm not revised the
Okay.
syllabus, so I'm not reminded. But I have.
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. So how do you see only the files with some, like, let's say, uh, any extension? So let's say hello file is there. Everything is hello. Sample hello one, sample hello two, sample hello three. It is there. So how do you find the files which are all there with respect to hello, or else any file, right? Like .txt it is there. Hello one .txt. So ending with .txt, how do you see all the files which are ending with .txt?
By grep command, no, grep not.
Okay.
Find command,
Okay.
find,
Fine. And what is the
find,
syntax?
find, and then a file dot txt file name. What is?
Fine. Directly you'll give that. Complete syntax. Can you go ahead? Go ahead.
No, no. Find, and then in double quotes, then file name like hello1.txt. If you are searching particular file, so
Okay. So I just want to make directory inside directory. Inside one, I just want to make two. Inside two, I just want to make three, four, five, up to 10. I want to go ahead. So how do you do this?
mkdir hyphen p command, and then
Hyphen B.
sorry, p
Okay. P stands for parent.
parent.
Okay, fine. So how do you uninstall some of the libraries if you are if you don't require that?
Yum uninstall, then libraries name like Jenkins or Docker.
Okay. Uh, and have you like you told have you worked on Azure DevOps?
Yes.
So can you let me know, can you share your screen and write some of the sample CI/CD jobs for me?
CI/CD jobs.
Yeah, Azure DevOps pipeline, Azure build pipeline or Azure release pipeline will be there, right? Can you write any one of that if you are okay?
No, sir, I have not remind. Last 2 months, I have not revision on that point in Azure.
Okay, how do you change the permissions on a recursive node in Linux?
Very good. Sir, please repeat.
How do you change the permissions on a recursive node? So let's say you have temp inside temp, or in like let's say you have opt inside opt, you have one, two, three, four, five directories, and I just want to change the permissions of all the things at one go.
By chmod command, I think.
Ch mode, and what is that? Still complete it.
Chmod.
You got right. On
In
an individual node, you need to go ch mode, and you should give 777 for
triple.
one.
Yeah, yeah. Numerically 777. Yeah.
Yeah, full permission. So you will be changing one by one by one by one to 10 directories. You got the question right. For 10 particular directories or files, I just want to change the permissions at a go.
Okay.
So you can use hyphen capital R. Okay, all the things will be changed. Chmod hyphen R hyphen capital R space hyphen capital R space forward slash temp or opt or whatever it might be. So the
Okay.
temp directory or the opt temp inside temp, how many things were there, all the things get changed. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, what is the importance of UUID in Linux in the disk partition? Why do we need that? If needed,
Uh,
why?
UUID. Okay, basically, if we are kill command is used for the UUID, basically, if we create like a sleep command, I think sleep 30 and add is interpress. So we are like a UUID is mentioned. So by p kill command, so UID is means killing these killing those UUID.
No.
Sir, can you give me your answer? I'm not remind that, not revision.
UUID is generally used in order to mount it on a permanent node. Okay, whenever your disk, do you know or do you have idea on disk partitions? How do you do that? How do you mount it?
Yes, sir, I have idea.
So how do you make partition?
Basically, we write the file and if we
File
write
will
the
be coming, disk will be coming. Why file will be coming? Okay, you can check first the concept of disk.
LSBLK, yeah.
Yeah, LSBLK will give you all of the things which are available. So if you want to make partitions, you can go ahead with respect to fdisk, okay, or mkpart. All of these things will be there. So
Yes.
what are all the schemes that were there in order to have like in order to do partition? Okay.
Uh,
So what is the importance of inode generally?
no, I have not listened. I not.
Okay. Differences between soft link and hard link. Do you have any idea?
Yeah. Basically, soft link, hard link command is ln and the directories of the file. And basically, hard link is not deleted if we are deleted the main directory, created the hard link, so directory is not deleted. Basically, and soft link ln hyphen s command. Basically, if we delete the directory, so soft link will be also be deleted.
Okay, okay.
Is it right, sir?
Can you repeat once again?
Yeah, hard link basically if we are create the uh, link by hard link ln and the directories of the file ln directories like
Hard
slash
link
home.
points to the like soft link or hard link points. So whenever we delete a file, okay, if or else, so in which of these things inode will be same, soft link or hard link? You okay? Okay, sorry, you don't know about inode, right? Okay,
Okay.
I mean. Will they have soft link have a different inode or hard link? I'm telling.
Sorry,
Soft link have same inode or hard link will have same inode?
I know I don't know, but a command I know ln hyphen sh.
If the original file is deleted, then soft link will have any use.
No, no, sir.
Can we update the particular soft link?
No, don't know.
Uh, Soft link can be created on files or directories.
Soft link basically created for the directories.
Which one? Soft or hard?
Soft
Soft is used for.
soft link, yeah, uh, directories.
Okay, great. Yeah, correct. So fine, Rajit. It's great talking with you. You still need to improve some more the other concepts. We'll get back to you. Thanks for
Sir,
all of. Yeah.
so when my next interview will be scheduled, so giving practice and practice. So I've improved myself.
Yeah. We'll get back to you. Our team will get back to you for sure.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.